Hello, my name is Glenda Williams, and I would demonstrate my understanding of Zoom by exploring meeting options. Let's begin with setting up the waiting room. Let's start with settings. And scrolling down, I'm going to enable waiting room. Also, let's enable the meeting passcode. Here we will enable mute all participants when they join a meeting. Now I will make changes to allow participants to chat with the host and co-host only. To allow meeting polls and quizzes, I'm going to enable here. Going down to whiteboard, I need to enable right here. Lastly, I will enable breakout rooms. Now I'm going to schedule so that I can set no fixed time. We'll set this to no fixed time. Save. Now let me use this link to go into the Zoom meeting. Copy this link and open up the meeting. Okay, so I've invited myself in as a participant. I'm going to demonstrate the participant screen. Let me make myself, pin myself here. Okay. When using the participants selection, you have options to choose a chat feature. Also, this is where you can mute the participant as well. As you can see, you can go in and mute the participant. I can also use this part to rename. Clicking on the three dots, I can rename the participant, as well as I can click on the three dots on the participant's picture, video, and also rename the participant there, as well as going and using this chat feature by clicking on the three dots here to start a chat conversation. When creating my breakout room, I can go here to more, click on the three dots, go to breakout rooms. I can assign automatically or assign manually. I'm going to create 2 breakout rooms. I can open all rooms. I can also message the participants by broadcasting a message to all. And the participants can also message me. They can ask for help. So when assigning breakout rooms, I can do it automatically or I can do it manually. I'm going to leave it on automatically here. Here I can open all rooms and broadcast messages as well. And participants can click and message me. There are other options here where I can also allow participants to choose their room or allow participants to return to the main session at any time. When sharing my screen, I can go to share screen. And this is where I can also have given participants, when they have options to choose, they can do the same. Here we can go and switch to files. If we need to share a file, I can share files from my Google Drive. Also, videos, we can go to advanced and share videos, computer audio, whiteboards can also be shared here. To make sure the sound is being shared, I can click share sound right here as well as and share. Also, to utilize other features like document camera, I can go here to select the camera that I wish to choose in order to show my document camera. And when muting and unmuting my microphone, I can use this option here or click here for other audio settings, as well as the same for my camera. I can turn it on and off, as well as changing the input device going here. But there are other video settings as well. I can go in and make changes there with the other video settings.